Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I have a great watch to show you. It's a Rolex Datejust, and I already have one. So I'm sure some of you are wondering, why did you just get another watch that's the same thing? Well, it's not. I've done a lot of research, and one, I like this watch. The Datejust is the staple watch, really, of all watches right now, and has been for a while. I already have, as you can see on my wrist, a date day tutor. So I got the one I already wanted. And another thing is I got this tattoo on my left arm. So I can't wear a watch on my left arm at the moment. So this one has a leather band, a leather bracelet attached to it that is adjustable. Because I tried putting this one on my right arm and it actually broke. I had to get it fixed. It braked. It broke? Yeah, it broke. I had to get it fixed. So with that being said, let's just get right into this watch. Another thing I want to tell you is I can afford this watch. And another thing is no watch is really the same. I've done a lot of research on this. The art piece is in itself different. Unless you have the same exact watch, like the same reference number, which I don't think that's possible. You can have the same 1601, 1603, but the serial number is yours, if that makes sense. So you might have done something to your watch that's personally something that you like. Like I've personalized and customized watches before. Like I put a fluted bezel on a watch once. I've taken off a bracelet and put a different one on. Stuff like that. But enough of this watch. Let's get into the new one that's in this box. Also, while I'm opening this, and clearly it's for me, you know, says my name right there, says my address. I crossed out the other guys because, I mean, I don't know if it's a shop, I don't know if it's his house, but I just didn't want you guys seeing his address. It just didn't seem right. As you can see, it's a authenticity guarantee order. Really cool stuff. It's verified. Check marks there. So this watch is 100% real. eBay, their authenticators looked at it and made sure that it's real and made sure that it is what that person said it was. So while I'm opening this, though, I want to give you one more reason you can have more than one of the same watch. This thing is tight on. That's better. Is if it's something you can add to your collection, then it just is. That's just something I thought about too. And that's not even from research. That's just me thinking. Because if I can afford this watch, which I can, and it was a good buy, then that's another reason you can buy it. You know, I know how much these watches go for. They don't go for $3,200. And I mean that in a good way. I don't mean that in a bad or, you know, this guy's a jerk way. I mean it like the person who sold me it was being really, really generous. So I'm thankful that I saw this. So of course I bought it. Because everyone knows how much money they have. Everyone knows how much money they need. So maybe one guy's selling this watch for, who knows, $5,000, and that guy was selling it for $3,200 with free shipping. So I took advantage of it because I thought it was a really good idea on his end. Clearly it worked because I bought it. You see what I'm saying? It's not always about how much can I sell this watch for, and it's not always about, well, it is about that. It's always about how much can I sell this watch for, but it's not always about what's the highest possible price I can sell this watch for. Some people just sell the watches because, like, hey, I know what a good baseline is for this, and I'm going to put it at that because I know how much money I have. That kind of thing. So I'm going to be a good guy today. That kind of idea where I'm not saying the people who price at a high price are bad. I'm saying the people who are pricing at a high price are looking to get more money because they just are for whatever reason. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. It's a good thing. It's just whatever. You know what I mean? It's just personal to them. But here we go. The time has come. And then it gives you a authenticity guarantee eBay card, which is cool. I'm not sure exactly what's on here. I'm guessing it'll just be like your numbers and stuff, but I could be wrong because there's many things there I'm looking at right now. But we're gonna find out what this one is. How do I even get this out of here? think I got it. Somewhat. There we go. Kind of cracked it a little bit. Not really, but yeah, it is. It's exactly that. So here we go. It's all your information you need. And as you can see, the most important part is right there. It has been authenticated. So Rolex is the brand, the model, Datejust, the ref number, 1603, the serial number, 218-1857. The movement type is automatic. Case material, stainless steel. And the bracelet is an aftermarket leather and tang band, I want to say. I don't want to just leave it like that. You know, I want to end the sentence with something cool. But it also came with this. I've already read this before in my other videos, so if you want to know what this says, just click on the other authenticity guarantee video I posted. And I read this. So I don't think we have to read this again. 1 second. There we go. Put this down now. Kind of read through that. Let me just make sure there's nothing else. I'll put this down for a second. Okay. So here's the watch. It's pretty cool. You guys haven't even seen it yet. My bad. You know, it's hard to see it. I've gone through these videos already, but right about hold on, see a piece of hair. It's not good. We don't want the hair on the watch. All right, so right about, I'll stop it right there. Then you can see it says eBay right there. eBay. So this is cool. It comes with, they give you like a case. I've done this before, that's why I know. So this is sick. It's green. Oh wow, this is dazzling. So let's go over here, put this down. And here we go. Oh, it's working big time. And today is the 16th, so it's a little off. What does this watch say it is? 15. This watch is 16. This watch is 20. See, all of a sudden, I can't even check date. All right, guys, this is quite the trust we're going with here. My phone's already being used, so I can't check what the real date is. We're going to go with it's the 16th. Let's just say it's the 16th. And if it's not, well, we done did it again. Let's check out this watch, though. So here's the band. It's really cool. I'm actually kind of scared to take this. Oh, I see what's going on here. It took me a minute. Oh boy, you guys got this. You guys are gonna have to skip forward for a while, because you guys know me. This is not my strong suit here. Taking off these things. I'm actually really bad with it. You know what? Let's just grab the scissors. I hate doing this with the scissors though. It doesn't feel good. All right, I think I got it. I'm really scared right now, but I'm gonna cut it. All right, cut it. Nothing seemed to happen. Do it one more time on this end. You guys know how it is. These watches cost a lot of money. You don't want to break it. It's just what it is for me. I don't think anything broke. So I guess. Oh, jeez. The red tape is hilarious, you guys. All right, cool. It's off. The red tape is off. Okay, here we go. Here's the watch. Got a nice green leather band. Let's take this off. Gosh, this is scary. The band's actually pretty nice. I'm surprised. You know, when you look at it through a picture, you just don't know what you're getting most of the time. So, yeah, this looks nice though. It doesn't break on me right now while I'm doing this. This is not something I'm used to doing. Anything break? No? Everything's good? Everything is good. It's cool. Just hold on to this nicely though, so we don't like die. Just kidding, sorry. was just kidding. I know I'm not supposed to use that language. I was taught not to use that language, so let's not use that language. All right. Hold on. Don't break it. All right, we got it. Here we go. So now I got to do something about it. Because I got to take this watch. I got to put it... Well, first let's look at it. I'll try to explain it to the best of my abilities. I'm not definitely no expert at this, but... here goes nothing. So... I'll center it. Maybe focus. We got the 20. We got the date. And then you got your hour, hand, seconds, and minutes. The fluted bezel, which is that... which is right here. It's the circle, the outer layer. It looks nice. You got your, right here is where the lug attaches to the clasp, which your clasp today is a leather band. And then on the back, it doesn't say anything. It's cool. I don't mind. There's also, this strap says genuine leather. Cool. I don't know what else to explain. The watch looks nice. The Rolex crown is really what makes this watch what it is, because every company is pretty much brand. You gotta know what they're about. You gotta know what they stand for, and these guys stand for excellence. They stand for prestigeness. These guys have well-built watches that should be worn by kings, by presidents, you name it. So I don't gotta say much more. I do need to put this on though before something bad happens. Hold on, let me see if I can put this down. Okay, that was scary. I can take this watch off now. Put on a different one. I do like this watch though. I'm not making fun of it. I'm just saying I can take this off. Just been on it for a while. I can't put on that one is my point because of the tattoo thing. Okay. This one I'm as afraid to put down because I've used it before. Look at it sliding. Okay. You know what? Hold on. Let me just put this. All right. Let's put this on. Let's see how this goes, you guys. Kind of exciting. I can hear AC/DC playing in my head. I'm not even kidding. I heard a song playing. It was like, what song is that? Something that goes like, what song is that? And you, man, I can't forget. Gotta use that song. High voltage. That's high voltage rock and roll, guys. You guys, we gotta listen to that song. I can't even put it on, but whatever. I'm gonna put this on. This is gonna be difficult because I'm not used to these kind of bracelets. I'm trying not to drop you. Very scared, very nervous. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Mommy, I can't do this right now. All right. Oh man, this doesn't work. There we go. I got it. I'm so nervous to do this right now, though. I can't even get it through one of the holes. There we go. There we go. I think I got it through somewhat. Jeez. There we go. All right, it's in. And I don't think it's going to break on me either this time. Like my other watch, which my right arm is bigger than my left. That's what I found out with that experience. All right, it's on. Hold on, I got to adjust it. There we go. All right, now I can get a good look at this. Here we go, guys. The Rolex Datejust, reference number 1603. Cool band. I like the leather. The green, you know? It's military-like. Where did that thing go? The card thing? What the... There it is. Yeah. Definitely a 1603 and automatic movement. I don't know where it says it, though. No, it doesn't say it on there. But, looks cool. Anyways, you guys, that's a wrap. Thank you, and have a good day.